Let's solve this problem. Calculate the quantity of heat required to raise the temperature of steel forging of mass 180 kg. Mass of steel is 180 kg from 300 Kelvin to 1265 Kelvin. Initial temperature and final temperature. The specific heat of steel is 0.49 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. This was asked on April-May 2020. In this problem, a steel bar is being forged. The mass of steel is 180 kg. Now how much amount of heat is required to raise the temperature from initial temperature 300 Kelvin to final temperature 1265 Kelvin when the specific heat of steel is given as 0.49 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Let's write down the given data. Calculate the quantity of heat required. To find heat required, the heat required to raise the temperature of steel forge. So heat required is denoted by Q, and for the steel forging, so let me denote as Qs is equal to question mark. We have to find what is the heat required to. Okay, next the mass of steel. Mass is denoted with small m. Mass of steel, let me denote as ms, is equal to 180 kg. Initial temperature T1 equal to 300 Kelvin. Final temperature T2 is equal to 1265 Kelvin. Specific heat of steel, let me denote as Cs. Specific heat is denoted with the capital letter C. S suffix stand for steel. So specific heat of steel is equal to 0.49 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Here kilo means 10 to the power of 3. Therefore specific heat of steel is equal to 0.49 into 10 to the power of 3 joule per kg Kelvin. Here kilo means 10 to the power of 3, that is nothing but 1000. It is kilo. You have to remember this. This is just a number. We need to multiply this. That's all. Solution. We know that heat equation is given by Q is equal to mc T2 minus T1. This is the general heat equation where m is the mass of substance, C is the specific heat of that substance, and T2 is the final temperature, T1 is the initial temperature. This is the difference in temperature which is measured in joule. Let us apply this equation. We have to find what is the heat required to raise the temperature of steel bar. Let me denote as Qs is equal to m, mass of steel, it is denoted with ms, multiplied by specific heat of steel. C denotes specific heat, S denotes steel, specific heat of steel, again multiplied by bracket open T2 minus T1. It should be measured in joule. Let's substitute this value. Qs equal to mass of steel, it is 180 kg multiplied by specific heat of steel 0.49 into 10 to the power of 3 multiplied by T2 1265 minus initial temperature 300 Kelvin, bracket close. Here let me calculate the inside the bracket value first, that is 1265 minus 300 equal to multiplied by mass of steel 180 multiplied by specific heat of steel 0.49, and let me not multiply this 10 to the power of 3, that I will retain as it is, equal to, this is the value 85113, and there is multiplied by 10 to the power of 3 there, which we have not calculated. Let me write down the answer. Heat required to raise the temperature of steel is 85113 into 10 to the power of 3. This we have not multiplied. The unit will be joule. Okay. This can be written as, or heat equal to 85113 10 to the power of 3 means kilojoule. This is the required answer. Let me show the unit conversion. Q is equal to mc T2 minus T1, where Q is the heat in joule. Of course, mass is denoted with the kg. Specific heat is always denoted by joule per kg Kelvin. Difference in temperature, it is always in Kelvin. Kelvin cancels, kg cancels, remaining is joule. Therefore, the unit of heat is always joule. I hope this is clear. You can find the entire unit 1 material in the below description. Also, you can find the same in comment section. Thank you for watching.
Open YouTube application in your smart device. In search option type as DMEC. This is the DMEC channel logo. Just click on the channel logo and then click on videos. You will find the list of DMEC videos here. Click on playlists. Here the videos are sorted according to the topic. Open a video. If you are new to this channel, then hit on subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon for instant notifications of upcoming videos. Open your web browser. Go to google.com. Here in the search option, just type DMEC and hit on search. This will show the result as Deekshit Kumar. You are the creator of the web page. The full web page address is dmeckvgp.wordpress.com. Just click on this to open DMEC web page. Close and accept the cookie policy. If you are using a mobile phone to browse, just click on 3 horizontal line, that is the menu button, which will explore all the home pages. You can open any page by simply clicking on the particular page. You can find here all the DMEC videos. Also can download the documents related to Diploma Mechanical Engineering.